How to get extreme data savings on Opera Mini. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to get extreme data savings on Opera Mini. First thing I'm gonna do is go to Opera Mini, and then let's go back first, and now click this one, Opera icon here, and then click this one, and then just go down until you find here this one, data savings. Click on it, and now click this one, automatic or anything here. Click here and then click this one, extreme. And that's how to get extreme or data savings on Opera Mini. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.